Let us start working with the next problem, that is fourth one. Here we are supposed to find that the LCM of 2 into 3 into 5 and 3 into 5 into 7 is equal to, they have given the four options. See here, LCM of first number, that is first number is going to be 2 into 3 into 5. The second number is 3 into 5 into 7. Now let us check out here. 2 into 3, here and here is there, so only one 3 you need to take, one number you need to take, 3, 5 again, so 1 5 you need to take, and as well as the 7, right? You have to take a single one also, right? Now just check it out. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7, option C is the right one. So one more way you can do, just check it out here. 5 3 is a 15, 15 2 is a 30, right? Second number is, so 5 3 is a 15, 15 7 is a 105, right? Let me find out the LCM for these two, right? Which is going to be, right? Let me go with the 3 10s are 3 3s are and 5s are, right? Let me go with the 5 2s are 5 7s. Now what happens here? 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 also you are going to get. So if they ask like this, then you need to multiply, then the answer will be 210. This least common multiple is 210. So but here you are supposed to select this, right? Option C is the right one.